Understanding the major economic systems helps explain how societies distribute resources, labor, and wealth. Let's break down the core differences. These three systems represent different answers to one big question: who owns the means of production and how are goods distributed? While no country is purely one thing, most economies lean toward one of these three structures to organize their markets. Capitalism relies on private enterprise. Socialism often involves government management of key sectors, and communism aims for total collective control. Capitalism prioritizes individual profit and market competition, whereas socialism seeks to reduce inequality through state-managed resources and social programs. This chart illustrates the relative level of state control typically found in each system, from decentralized markets to fully planned economies. Real-world economies are rarely textbook definitions. They usually blend these concepts to balance growth with social stability. Understanding these foundations helps you navigate global economic news. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money basics.